Okay guys, ever wanted a way to showcase your best collections that actually catches the eye instead of just another boring list? Well, this section blends both, big visuals and a clean, clickable list. Today we're adding this SK Collections list number 27 to your store. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Collections List number 27. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section. Type SK Collections List number 27 and choose that section. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and choose the featured image and add a collection you want to show. These two blocks are actually the main visual elements. They'll create the biggest impact on the user, so add your best collections here. And if you don't like this default image and want to add something else that better represents your collection, you can do that too. I'm just adding a random one here for now. Once both of those are ready, let's scroll down and click on the list items. You can add collections the same way here too. The editing process is identical. You'll customize each list item one by one, and if you want, you can even add more list item blocks. Once all of that is ready, click on the section itself and you can customize everything here too. Padding, background color, margin, font family. For example, I really like Poppins, so let's go with that. As always, once you're done, hit Save and let's check it out in view mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.